Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. On a daily time frame chart, Bitcoin Cash has already broken out this quite long-term down channel. And after the breakout from this channel, you can see that the price is stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. That is, by the way, a bearish fast pattern, and recently you can see that the price is once again rejected by the resistance of this wedge, and the movement of the price is, by the way, is getting squeezed inside this rising wedge pattern. And right now Bitcoin Cash is testing this long-term support of $350, and in today's video we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 19th of October 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 19th of October 2024 with my members, that Bitcoin Cash was completing on a daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was an expected harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern. Therefore, I told my members that we can expect that the pricing can drop more to enter the buying zone here. Then we can expect the price reversal within this potential reversal zone, potential sell zone, as per this Fibonacci sequence of this currently. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed the leg into the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal and beat the sell targets on here. And before that, we got almost 11% pump, and this was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Bitcoin Cash was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price dropped more down into the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal, and this was almost 11% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And this is the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that for the past several days Bitcoin Cash is moving inside this rising wedge pattern. And for example, if the price can test the support of this wedge this time, it can test the support of the wedge approximately at $336. And in case of breaking down this wedge, the technical target is here at the bottom of the wedge, that is approximately at $275. And by the way, before that, we will have another quite long-term uptrend line support as well. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support has been previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks of months, and after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. We had few touch points here, then we had few more touch points here, and now recently the price and was again bounced on the support here in the month of August 2024 as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, now we are switched back to the daily time frame chart, and in case of breaking out, the target will be here. That will be approximately at $532. And the long-term target, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at $700. And by the way, from $700 to $800, we have a complete and long-term resistance zone that had been previously breaking as a resistance zone here, resistance zone here, resistance zone here. And recently, the price and once again got rejected here in the month of March 2024 by this resistance zone. And the long-term target for this previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here. You can see that on the 7-day time frame chart, we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern as well, and that target can be somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.